Well, during distillation, the steam is entering your condenser, and it's very hot up here. It's coming in very hot, and the temperature inside the temperature of your condensing water is going to eventually get too warm. So an easy method for adding cooling water to this condenser is to remove the top hose from here, and this is where the water's flowing out. You can pour this into another bucket, or if you're outside or in the field, you can just pour it on the floor, or you save it for whatever purpose you want. As this is pouring out, you're adding cooling water into this container. And what that does is the cooling water enters the bottom, this is going to be warm, and it eventually cools the whole container, and then you put the hose back in. Very simple.